Good day to all employers. My name is Meryl de la Serna, 36 years old from Philippines. I have two kids, age 15 years old and 16 years old. I'm college undergrad. I have 6 years experience work in Taiwan as caretaker. My main duties is take care the elderly, assist changing diaper, taking a bath, brushing her teeth, give medicine and food, bring to hospital for check-up, bring in the bring outside for exercise, cleaning, cooking her food, washing, and ironing her clothes. And I have 2 years experience taking the kids. My main duties is taking bath, brush her teeth, bring in school, tutoring. And I am hardworking people, trusty, worthy, honest, and I'm willing to learn more, especially cooking. Thank you and God bless.